Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about removing the fake and misleading and extremely dangerous pop-ups that come from the website socialdiscovery.io. First of all, I want to tell you that these pop-ups are extremely filthy and they display pretty filthy content not suitable for certain categories of people. And unfortunately, these pop-ups may appear on your browser even if you don't expect to see their content. I have hidden this particular content from your eyes so that you would not see that content and so that nobody else in your family would be able to see that filthy content. But these pop-ups try to actually force you into clicking on the allow button in order to make you subscribed to the push notifications. Such pop-ups may attack the screen from time to time and display other filthy ads. Some of these ads may point you to many other dangerous pages. So if you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, you should urgently fix your browser. This is how you can do it. Access the menu of your browser, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, go to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications, and if you find these malicious websites, socialdiscovery.io, you need to remove the malicious website from the list and also remove other junk sites that are possibly causing such troubles. So, if you also see a lot of such ads attacking your screen periodically, a good recommendation is that you inspect and examine your system with the help of reliable antivirus software. You may do it with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. After the software is downloaded and installed, start checking your system to detect and eliminate all other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.